Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Indeed Resume Upload to keep LinkedIn aligned. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Indeed Resume Upload, start by logging into your. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to access your account settings. In the drop-down menu, select Resume. You will be directed to the Resume section of your Indeed profile. Look for the option labeled Upload Your Resume. Click on this button to begin the upload process. A file upload dialog will appear. Locate your resume file on your computer. Select the file and click Open. Wait a moment for the upload to complete. Once uploaded, you will be prompted to review your resume. Make any necessary edits to ensure accuracy and clarity. After reviewing, click the Save button to finalize your changes. Next, it's time to align your LinkedIn profile. Open a new tab and log into your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Look for the Add Profile section button and click on it. In the drop-down menu, select Upload Resume. Click on the Choose File button. Find the same resume file you just uploaded to Indeed. Select it and click Open. After the file uploads, LinkedIn will prompt you to review your information. Make sure all details match those on your Indeed resume. Once you confirm everything aligns, click Save. Now your Indeed resume is successfully uploaded and linked to your LinkedIn profile. Check both platforms to ensure your information is consistent. You're all set with an updated resume on both Indeed and LinkedIn. This easy alignment enhances your job search effectiveness. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.